Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Nimbus platform utility token. Ticker symbol is NIMB. This token just got listed today on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Nimbus platform utility token. So, on CoinMarketCap, you can find both of their telegrams, their Twitter, they have a Bitcoin talk, Medium articles, their BSC scans on here, two different web pages, one called nimbusplatform.io, and the other one's for their application, app.nimbusplatform.io. They also have the price chart contract address, so this is a Binance Smart Chain token. It doesn't say that it is listed on PancakeSwap, although we can check here in a second on their BSC scan to see if it is. But how you'd get this token, it is listed on a central exchange called Lbank. So basically you would just download Lbank from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, get it on your PC, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search NIMB, and then you would simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So let's check their BSC scan here. So it says right now they have 1,597 holders, so they're doing very well. 13,948 transfers, 18 decimal places, and a total supply of 10 billion tokens. Now, if you scroll through their BSC scan, you can check to see if there is any PancakeSwap swaps, and I do not see any PancakeSwap exchanges at all in the. So yeah, it looks like it's just on Lbank for now. Maybe it has some other smaller exchanges or something like that. But yeah, I don't see any PancakeSwap listing or exchanges on their BSC scan. Now, what is this token all about? If you go over to their official webpage, you can find more information. Over there, they have token information, roadmap, their services, a career section. You can open the platform. You can change their webpage to all sorts of different languages on here. So it says, your easy and efficient access point to the best decentralized finance. 15 customizable earning strategies and all market data in one spot. Let you benefit from the future of finance today. Nimbus Christmas, and Merry Christmas to y'all, by the way. Thanks for everybody who's subscribed this year. It's been a great year. I mean, this isn't the end of the year. It's not New Year's yet, but thank you to everybody who's been watching this channel in 2022. And, 2023, we're going to do some big things, hopefully. And, it's hopefully going to be a better year for the economy and crypto, although who knows? But we'll find out, right? So yeah, Nimbus Christmas and New Year's staking month is live, it says. You can read the details about that and join, so you could stake these tokens on the page here. It says, get an additional rewards up to 10% for your hard staking deposit made by December 21st. And I apologize because it's December 25th. So it looks like you did miss. Oh, no. Sorry. It goes from December 21st until January 21st. So you have until January 21st to take advantage of this 10% rewards for additional rewards for staking tokens. So there you go. They just had that word. It said made from December 21st. But then, yeah, you read the rest. It says all the way until January 21st. And it says happy holidays. So yeah, you could stake the token, and then it has an announcement here, new released Newly released on Lbank exchange. It is now listed there. Nimbus Platform Utility Token, NIMB, is listed on Lbank exchange, a global digital asset trading platform. It's got the USDT trading pair. It's officially available for trading. Don't hesitate to participate in the NIMB trading competition on Lbank with a total grand prize of $8,000 in NIMB. Competition details and rules to participate are on the Telegram channel. So this is Nimbus is revenue generating solution. So it has the Nimbus NFT Smart LP. So Smart Liquidity Pool and NFT gets the assets you supply automatically distributed across liquidity providing, LP staking functionalities, and lending DApp, and immediately starts generating rewards for you. This gives you the ultimate risk mitigation and optimal yields while saving time and gas fees. There's also lending. So lend your tokens for rewards in the original assets, receive higher rewards, and help provide loans for everyone. No intermediaries, no minimum deposit, no lockup period, withdraw anytime. You can also borrow digital assets to enhance your trading strategy. Fixed annual percentage rate, no credit checks, set your own repayment terms and collateral level. Also staking with 20% APY, stake NIMB or GNIMB at up to 20% APY. Choose the most suitable period and type of staking among the 6 possible options. Also, there is an affiliate program. Invite your friends to Nimbus and get extra rewards and bonuses. And liquidity providing and LP staking up to 100%. Become a liquidity provider for Nimbus Swap to receive 2 types of rewards of up to 100% APY. Pick a pair you'd like to provide liquidity to, and then stake the LP tokens in the LP staking. Get started in a few clicks. Earning with Nimbus is easy. Simply pick a strategy that suits you and follow step-by-step guides to import your assets and start receiving rewards. So it looks like they have a bunch of audits here as well. KRAKEN, Zokyo, Smart State, Certic audit, and Hexen's Diligence, and some other one that's like Chinese or Japanese lettering. But yeah, lots of audits going on here. They got lots of news articles here, some by Crypto Daily, Yahoo, Coin Codex, Forbes, Bloomberg. You can check all those out. Tons of stuff on here. I didn't even click on the roadmap yet. There is a complete roadmap here when they come out. Nimbus is the governance token, by the way. It uses refractory GNBU smart contract with emissions limit up to 100 million GNIMB tokens. And so in progress, they're working on the Nimbus Swap 2.0 portfolio management tool. Nimbus NFTs are out already. The mobile app's out. Mobile web version's out. Liquidity providing's out. Token listings. Referral program. Nimbus DAO. Affiliate programs out, P2P exchange, lending, borrowing, wrap machine, multi-sender, all sorts of cool stuff on here. So yeah, you can check all this stuff out at nimbusplatform.io. And like I said, it got listed today on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap, 2 brand new listings. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about Nimbus? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.